Hello. Is this yours?
Yes.
Wow.
We just did all this in my garage.
Really?
Like, this is the first time we brought it out yesterday for the first time.
This is nice. I'm sorry, can I sit down for a second?
Yeah, yeah.
What is this? This is sweet.
So this is just the Starlight kit that you can order off Amazon. You
Okay.
take it down and you poke them through. But I did the suede headliner to kind of make it a little bit different.
Okay. Wow. What is the box tuned to?
I want to say he told me 38 hertz
Okay.
or 4. I know we went back and forth on it.
Yeah. And y'all kind of built into the back.
Yeah,
Like you see, you had a lip, so a lot of fab work. Wow. What scar level are these?
I had EVLs.
ZVX?
So these are the ZVX.
ZVX? Okay. Yeah. Really nice. And it's clean. You can hear no distortion back there. So y'all did a really good job fine tuning everything.
And everything, like I said, everything was just done in the garage, and we literally just said, let's go here. It's because we can't play it anywhere else because
Correct.
we keep getting in trouble.
Yep.
So I knew out here, at least I can hear it. So if I know I need to tune something,
Yep.
I'll be able to tell it.
Yes, ma'am. Awesome. Could you give me one more Subflex video? Yeah. And you can see into the back of the box. That is really cool.
His music pulls up better than mine. What's another song he wants to get another sub? Like,
Something with some Subflex.
yeah. My phone don't work as good.
Does it do better with the doors closed?
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Does it? Oh yes.
Can we try it?
Yeah. Oh, it's really nasty with the door shut.
Just wanted to make sure before.
I was gonna say, my phone don't work out here like that.
The hell they don't.
How much power is on the subs and everything?
9K on the subs. She's pushing like 30K between the highs and the subs. We got 2 8Ks just on this 1210s.
Okay.
And then she got a 3K on the front doors, 18 on the trunk lid. It's a little over 30.
Okay.
She's only running 4 batteries and 1 on there.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of their system. Did a really good job getting to the show and showcasing their system at TDH, Team Deadly Hurt Show in Virginia of 2021. Looks like the name of their theme of their system is Mandaboo. They didn't actually mention the name, but you can see on their door as well as on the wall, that was what they named their system. Really clean install all around, really sound crisp quality demo you'll see. Definitely had a little bit of music issues with distortion and copyright, so sorry about that, but I got to be able to hear it and glad to share with y'all today. Be sure to give them a like if you haven't already. I was really trying to see where all their amplifiers were, but they all are installed underneath and behind the box in the seat and in the back of the trunk. So they did mention there was around 30,000 watts total between all the subs, speakers, tweeters, etc. So we're going to go and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
She ain't never coming back.
This is one of my favorites.
Scott Slick. She on my dick, she on my dick. She on my dick, she on my dick. She on my dick, she on my dick. I get a rush when I see these bitches watching me. It's like a high when I see these bitches jacking me. She on my dick like she heard what I'm ordering. Chop, more saying it's just one of these. She on my dick like she seen so she shouldn't have seen. 200 down 100 crowd in my Chavachi jeans. She just wanna make a scene, tryna team. And I just wanna paint her face like it's Maybelline. Work out, work out, what's up? Girl, I don't need you, I just want you. She said I need to tell you something. Boy, look, boy, I'm a freak, but I'm a woman. Hold up, she used to be my favorite chick. Say Chanel on a phone. She ain't playing with these hoes. I'm in my pot. She sick, so she on my dick. She on my dick. I get a rush when I see these bitches watching me. It's like a high when I see these bitches jacking me. She on my dick like she heard what I'm ordering. Chop, more saying it's just one of these. She on my dick like she seen so she shouldn't have seen. 200 down 100 crowd in my Chavachi jeans. She just wanna make a scene, tryna team. And I just wanna paint her face like peace. Red bottoms all white just to shoot. She gon' show after 9.
It's pretty, but it gets a little violent.
Yeah, I appreciate the demo. What's your name?
Jimmy,
Jimmy.
we got a big car show. 24 South Eastern.